back to the channel, Underdogs. It's me, your boy Eric, and finally we're going to mount and balance the Konig wheels with the tires. We're out here in Quick Lane in Lethbridge, and shout out to my dad for letting me borrow his truck for a while because yeah, the Subaru can't handle all 8 wheels. Pardon my fancy clothes. I just got off work and I just unloaded 8 wheels from that truck. Jeez. Well, okay, so the difference between two, not a whole lot of difference, but more black for sure. Thicker, yes. The rears are like 30 millimeters in difference. The fronts are around 20 millimeters in difference. The main reason why I took the OEM wheels with the new wheels is because of these ones, the TPMS. So we took out the TPMS from here, transferred over there. And you know how much TPMS are? I don't know, it's like $100 or something each, I think. Don't quote me on that. I may be wrong. So I went with the easier route of just transferring them over, and I think I spent around $80. Can't wait to mount them, but first obviously we gotta do the calipers, rice it out. I'm cleaning these wheels before I sell them. Eric, why are you cleaning them when you're gonna sell them? I don't know, I just want to. I mean, it would probably be nice to like clean them before somebody uses them. I don't know, probably increase the value. Hopefully, you never know. I mean, it's far-fetched, but yeah, I'll clean them with just some degreaser just to clean the inside of the wheel and probably put some tire shine around it and then wrap it with plastic bag. Alright guys, so we're gonna be doing the calipers now, but I've seen a bunch of people who actually just like wrapped everything up and painted while they're on. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna clean it up a little bit and then put it aside and paint it while it's off. Okay, it's not really that hot outside. I mean, this is like my type of weather, but the sun is just out there. So I just took this huge umbrella from our patio to save me from the sun. And I didn't really record while I was taking this off because I was having really difficult time trying to get rid of the 7/8 bolt, 7/8 bolt behind the rotor, and this is the only breaker bar I have, and it's huge, and I don't know if that's gonna help with leverage or something, so we'll try to see if it works. Okay, things are not going well so far because the breaker bar is too big. This is on the way, everything is on the way, and it's just really difficult to get into those 2 bolts. And funny thing, I never actually played around with brakes. This is my first time doing brakes. Well, taking out the brake pads. So this is still good, so I don't see any point of changing them. This is just a really stupid cosmetic, mod. I don't even know if it's worth it, I just really want the wheels to go in. So, I don't know. Let me just Let me just think about it. So after trying all of the possible combination of adapters and whatnots and for my wrenches, I'm gonna say screw it. So I'll just take out the pads and the retaining clips. Where are the retainer clips? Like the retainer clips, and I'll put them aside. I'll mask out the rotors and the rest of it, and I'll definitely mask out these rubber ones, and then I'll just clean it up. Probably sand it down a little bit to remove all those dirty stuff, and then blast it with parts cleaners, and then yeah, I mean it's not like it's a big deal to paint your OEM calipers. I mean, it's definitely ricey if you paint it like red, right? So I'm just gonna paint this black anyway, and it's whatever. It's not like I'm gonna leave this, you know, down the line and not change it to a big brake kit. So this is just a little cosmetic mod that you would probably do at your home, you know, and possibly take out the 7/8 bolts at the back, unlike I did, because I'm a little wuss. So yeah, let's do the rest, prep everything, and I'll just do a little bit of B-roll right now. Janky way of masking and whatnot on the rears. So I just took a garbage bag, cut it in one, ripped up the side and then the bottom, so it just like lay out as a long rectangular piece. So that's what I did, and then I made a small hole that would just like wrap around the rotors, mask out the things that I don't want to be painted, and especially here. Yeah, and then I just like scuff them out, clean them up with a brake cleaner, and that's what I'm gonna do for the rest. Well, except for the front, because I can take out the entire thing. This one, unfortunately, not because of this. So yeah, whatever, right? Plus, it's just cosmetic mod. Nobody really cares. I'm gonna be called out as a ricer anyway, so what the hell? Not the smartest way to open a can of Monster. Of Rust-Oleum high heat temp, there you go. Just make sure you're on a distance, so around 6 inches away, so you don't clump up paint in one area, and making sure that you're doing a 50-50 pass. The wheels look phenomenal. Unfortunately, Quicklane doesn't have black weights, so I mean, I have nothing against chrome or silver, but since my ensemble is murdered out, we're gonna use the high temp paint since it has a matte finish, and this is a matte, semi-matte black. We're just gonna use that paint on every single silver in here. So let's mask the wheels and paint them. So it took me quite a while because there was a lot of masking involved. Yeah, I tried to make sure I didn't paint over my new wheels, so it was kind of nerve-wracking. I think we're ready to mount them in the car. I think it's getting. Yeah, you know what? Let's do it. We're quite not ready yet to mount. I totally forgot about this. Yeah, we need that. So I figured out what this is. It's just an indicator for brake rotors, so that you don't use the rear rotors for the front. So yeah, that's it. These are ridiculously light lug nuts. They are so light. Like, they feel like plastic, but they're not. I expected that. What is this? What is this? You can probably fit like, how many? Oh, you can fit another one. Oh my god. Huh. Alright, so that's the next one on my list. Coilovers or springs? Well, I've done my research already. I'm already set to one of them. Well, tell me in the comment section down below, what do you think I'm going to get, or what I'm supposed to get. Doesn't look half bad, but the Fitment, oh my god, that's a lot of gap. She doesn't look too shabby. She's magnifica. Good thing I planned this all out. Is she poking? She's poking a little bit. But a little bit of camber. Yeah, a little bit of camber. Am I gonna do an alignment? No, not yet, because I still have, plans with figuring out that wheel gap, so. But holy crap, though. She looks different. A little thick. Okay, let's put the pièces de résistance, meaning these bad boys. Center caps, of course. Alright, it's been a week. I've waited for 3 months of this. It was worth the while. Yeah. If you like this video, guys, hit the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button. And I really appreciate you guys watching me do these stuff, Again, thank you so much. I hope that I can bring her out to the road, and hopefully nothing wrong will happen. Well, life is like that. It just does. So thank you so much. I'll see you on the next episode, guys. Take it easy, okay?